Welcome back. If you've ever watched videos on Facebook and struggled to catch every word, especially in a noisy environment or when the sound is off, turning on captions can make a huge difference. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable always-on captions on the Facebook app when using your PC. Let's get right into it. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can control different preferences. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you find the Media section. Click on Media to open the Media settings. Here's where the important part comes in. Look for the option labeled Always Show Captions. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle or selection option. Simply switch it to On, and that's it. From now on, Facebook will automatically display captions on videos whenever they're available, so you won't have to turn them on manually each time. This feature is especially helpful if you often browse in quiet places, watch videos without sound, or just prefer reading along while listening. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other Facebook settings too. There are plenty of customization options that can improve your overall experience. Thanks for watching.